I think I will differentiate a little bit between formal research and informal research. Informal research helps your gut and intuition. When you catch somebody in a room and get 10 people to talk, they will answer you predictable, they'll give you predictable answers. Because nobody wants to be seen as saying the wrong thing, whereas you want to know what is below the surface. And what is below the surface is exactly what is going to help you with your gut and your intuition. For instance, if we had gone and done research on the Cadbury's girl dancing on the cricket field, all the mothers would have said, I don't want to see my 18-year-old dancing on a cricket field in front of hundreds of people. When we made the film and showed it to them, all the mothers said, all my life I wanted to do this. So, if we had researched that piece, it would never have seen the light of day.
It would have been a predictable response.
Predictable response, we would not have made it, and history would not have been created.
Yes.
So it was the belief of the marketing head of Cadbury's, Rajiv Bakshi, and it was our collective gut that made it possible for that girl to dance on the cricket field and for Cadbury to dance all the way to the bank.
So what kind of a leader is able to take this call by saying, I'll go beyond the commissioned research to my understanding or my people's understanding of the consumer?
In one word, that leader is not an insecure person. Be secure about yourself. Know that you can make mistakes.
Okay.
And also know that research can also make mistakes. So don't blame it on research. Those who use research as a crutch falter. Those who say, yes, there seems to be some knowledge out there, but where is the wisdom? So you are the wisdom, that is research is the knowledge. A leader has to be wise enough, bold enough.
He uses the research.
Yeah, he uses the research to reinforce his own thoughts. A leader will not say that, don't blame me, we tested this and consumer said, blame it on the consumer. Why am I paying you?
Yeah. So it's a judgment.
It is
at the end of the day,
it is a judgment, and judgment comes by learning to walk. You will fall sometimes, and you will run very fast sometimes. Take it. Don't take yourself so seriously.